Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to work with Python string methods. Let's watch this amazing video. In before tutorial we seen about string slicing. I explained how to slice the string in very clearly, and we can do many ways to slice the string. It was very clear explanation. If you missed the tutorial, just go, the link was available in description and you can find how to slice the string. And now in this tutorial we are going to work with string methods. Just I'll close this file and I'll create a new Python file which is called string methods. Generally in Python we are having like default methods. By using that methods also we can, means we can, by using that methods we can do some operations very easily. So first method, which is called, they are having a lot of methods. I'll discuss some of the important methods. First method is called split. So what is the name of the split? The name itself having, that is called split the string. So just I'll create the string which is called name is equal to hello world. I want to split this string. So name dot split. So split is a method in string. So now I want to assign a variable which is like n equal to, and just print n. And now you can see the output how it was splitting means it was comma, separated by comma, you can see that. So yeah, up to here it was separated by comma, and up to here it was taking, and it was taking in list format. You can observe it was taking in list format. So this is the way to split the string, particular string. If you want to split, this is the way here. So I'll explain another example related to split statement. Just I'll copy this one and I'll paste it. So if I want to split like a dollar symbol, now here also I'll give the dollar symbol. Now you can see that the output will get like, instead of getting dollar symbol here, you will get like space. You can see that you will get like space. So this is the way to split the string. And we are having next one which is called join method. So join method by using two strings. So if you are having two strings, it will be joined. Just give that, just copy and paste it here. So instead of this, just give the join. Split after, just give the join. So n1 which is equal to n dot. So you need to join, right? You can give by using, if you want to join with asterisk symbol, dot join n, and now just print n1, and you can see the output which is joined by using like asterisk symbol. So this is about join. And now next one method is lower. So is lower is used to check whether the string is given is lower or not. So generally I'll give the name which is called hello. I'm giving like in capital, and I want to print which is in lower, is lower. I want to check it is like true or false. It says that actually I given it's like a capital, right? So I'm checking is lower. Just give n equal to name dot uh, is lower, and just print n, and you can see it is like a capital letter, so we'll get like a false. So if I write this one as a small letter, just you can see that, and just you can see it is a true. Same like is upper also. So is upper, you can see of course it is a false. If I give like you is upper, yeah. So now my task is I want to convert upper string to lower string. So like lower function, so lower method. So just create name equal to, so hello, which is called upper string. Now I want to convert n equal to name dot lower, just print n, and you can see it was converted upper string to lower string. Same like upper also, and it was converted into upper to lower. So now I given the lower string which was converted into upper. So this is about lower and upper string. So now another method which was there, which is called count. So you can see that how many characters was there, like how many L characters was there. Just you can give like count method. So just like I'm giving name equal to hello. So just use count and equal to name dot count which one to be counted. So I'll give L. So just it should be like 3 times, right? So it's having 2 times in hello. So I'll get the output which is like, you can see I'm getting the value which is count, which is we discussed many things which is called split, join, is upper, is lower, lower, upper, finally count. So these are the main methods which was having in strings, and I'll keep some important things which is related to string method, the document links, and you can find and you can learn more deeply. I hope everyone was enjoyed about string methods, and I given the task related to this, and you can find uh, in description, and don't forget to do task, and I'll come with another tutorial which is called function. So what is function and how we can create function, what is the use of function, everything I'll discuss with coming tutorial. Until then, stay tuned for next tutorial.
I hope this video is helpful to you. In future, definitely I'll do more videos and more things, and let's subscribe this channel because if you support me, I'll do more and more